I'm Dr. Rashmi Rodriguez, Associate Professor at the Department of Community Health, St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. We decided to organize a workshop on comics for tuberculosis in commemoration of the World TB Day 2021. The purpose of this workshop was primarily to develop effective communication material so that people who work with TB as well as who have experienced TB and the lay public are introduced to the topic of tuberculosis through comics. The aim of the session is also to get people who work with tuberculosis to come up with their own ideas and draw the comics themselves. This is irrespective of whether they are well versed with art or not.
So this workshop was quite unique in a way. The trainer was sitting in Delhi and most of my participants were sitting under one roof. The participants were practicing doctors, medical students.
What I'm going to do is just show some key messages that we could work on. These are in extremely simple language. Most of us here have worked with TB and are either treating patients or interacting with them quite extensively. So you might find this quite basic, but the intention of the messages is to keep the language absolutely at a level that you could communicate with somebody even on the street. Okay, so I will just quickly go through the key messages.
They were like telling stories in the second session, and later on they learn how to develop their stories into storyboards, and eventually they develop the wall poster. But in between we were working on different platforms. There was a big screen which was projected in the St. John's Medical College in Bangalore, and where I was giving instruction to my participants, and most of my participants were also logged into the Zoom platform, and they were like interacting and responding me over the Zoom chat while they could listen to me, and but I was mostly dependent on their feedback through the chat box messages. And then later on, during the storytelling session, each and every participant used to come at one fixed table where a laptop was fixed, and they used to like tell their story.
The title for my story is The Clock is Ticking. I have not written it fully, but I'll just tell you the plot. There is a MBBS girl who is preparing for her Viva, and she's looking at the clock. The time is ticking, and the next day is her Viva. So my topic is on myths and misconceptions, and my story is called Boon or Bale. Okay, so setting is in a village, and two women in the village are discussing with one another. They tell, don't give your daughter away to Gopal's son Madhav. He has TB and he was diagnosed 2 months ago. And they say that he's taking treatment, but we know TB cannot be cured. You have it for life.
It's a real story. It's related to the TB treatment adherence. It's the importance of treatment adherence. There is a patient is called name X, and actually he was enjoying his life very much before getting TB. And then after some time, and the symptoms suddenly came upon, and he tested positive TB. And one of his family members suggested you should go to the hospital and start TB medication.
We were like using different online platforms apart from Zoom. We were also heavily relying on the email and also on WhatsApp groups. So the WhatsApp was to just quickly get their messages, and they were posting their stuff, their rough drawings to stories, to the visual script, to the inking part. but over the email I was also providing them individual feedback on their comics and some technical information which was very specific to some comics.
I would say another important purpose of this workshop was to teach healthcare workers to communicate using the medium of art and through comics. That simple messages can be passed on to the community through artwork.
We are using grassroots comics as a graphic medicine tool. This was a unique workshop in a way that most of my participants, being a practitioner doctors, they were working like full time inside the hospital and medical college, and then there was also corona vaccine drive was going on, but still they could spare some time, and the kind of interest and enthusiasm they showed towards this workshop was overwhelming. Each and every small aspect, whether it is the dialogue or the title or the inking or how to add texture into a comics and how to make it more attractive, since it was going to be their first comic, so they were overexcited about this fact also.
We actually had a lot of people who requested to participate online, but as we wanted to have a blended approach to this workshop, we were only able to accept participants who were based in Bangalore.
I was doing some parallel workshops with the media students from different universities, but what I could see, the kind of interest shown by the doctors was not visible in other workshops. People who are already working in a field and they can see the application of a certain media, they will show more interest and they can see that how they are going to use this medium post workshop.
Okay, so what we envisage doing with the outcome is to have an exhibition here first at the hospital around World TB Day 2021, that is the 24th of March 2021. We will also give the comics to the state TB office and the district TB office so that they can use it.
This workshop was very interesting and different from the previous one because this workshop was focused on one theme, and that was on tuberculosis. And most of the participants were, in a way, they were like somehow related to the theme, to the subject. They were working with the patient and they were quite known to the subject. So they could see that how the medium of comics is going to make their life easy when they are going to use it to communicate like crucial messages where they need to tell their patient that okay, they should not discontinue their treatment, or they should take the medicine for continuously for next 6 months, or messages about stigma, stereotyping, discrimination, and also lack of information about this disease. Most of these areas were covered in most of the comics produced during this workshop.
The district TB office as well as the state TB office have supported this workshop, and they were quite keen on ensuring that people develop, healthcare workers especially, participate in this workshop and develop comics that they will be able to use as communication material in the future.
Break the monotony of printing and graphics and the text part. This was a very good media to communicate and pass on the message. Plus, it is one of the best media for even to educate even the medical students, for them to remember better.
Thank you, Sharad sir, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to get introduced to comics. I think it's a beautiful way to express as well as communicate to our patients. Using comics, I think it's a very simple way to get to our patients.
Really, I'm working as a health visitor in TB, so it will be very useful for me for awareness in schools, in community meetings. Everybody, it will be very much useful, sir. I can use it everywhere, wherever I go. I can use that and use in awareness.
During these days, we learned how to draw different kind of balloons. What is thought balloon? What is normal speech balloon? Whispering balloon? So it was a lovely experience, and all my childhood memories got refreshed. And when we started this journey, I was not very sure that I would be able to draw something. But at the end of the day 3, the last day of comics, I myself was amazed looking at my artwork. So the credit goes to obviously Dr. Rashmi and Sharad.
So I hope that this workshop has been successful in enabling healthcare workers to get this idea, and I also hope that they will use this idea in the future when they try to communicate different topics regarding healthcare to a different audience at different points.
Most of the participants, in fact all the participants who finished their final project, they were females. So I would say apart from the comics power, it was also a female power.